international authorities are closing in on the American man they believe is buying and selling young girls in a remote corner of the Philippines.
I'm on the phone with Arthur Benjamin, a 49-year-old Texan who's suspected of pimping out underage girls from his bar in the Philippines.
FBI, open up!
Prostitute o kriminal na sila yung may kasalanan.
Lalo na't naglipa na ang mga spa na ginagamit ngayon na front para sa prostitusyon.
Umaasa tayo na magtrabaho na lang sila ng
My name is Mary Grace. I'm from Samar, and then I'm here now in Angeles. I'm 8 years long ago, and then I have one daughter, and then my family is here in Angeles City. 8 years long here the Angeles, and then before I'm working in the bar, the mini bar, and then the customer guys. It's okay, and then but now I'm not working in the bar. I'm still at home, and then sometimes I'm going to Walk Street, have the mini customer, and then with my friends, and then yeah, but now I need the money. I'm now I going to working, and then because I need the money for my daughter and my family. Before working in the bar, the carousel, but the carousel because I have the problem for the manager. Me and my manager always fighting, and then my manager is always blood for me, and then go out in my home at the bar. Then okay, and then I will go, and then next another bar, the Club Sky. I'm working, but now I'm still at home with my family, bonding, and my daughter, and now I'm always walking the Walk Street, and then always talking the black man, foreigner, my friends, and then yeah. We finish. But now I have a problem because I'm working, and then 4 months I live the lesbian. I'm live in the lesbian, but 4 months is broke. Because I have a problem because she always another girl, and then but now it's okay. I focus with my family and my daughter, and then I go back the bar, and then I'm working for my family and my daughter. Yeah. And then now I'm fighting, and then but now it's okay. Never give up, and then fight, and then finish. Then, but I wish I need the money, because I need the money for my daughter, and then my family. I will support my family, and then then now tomorrow I will back the bar, the carousel, because the manager talking for come back the carousel, because I need the money for my daughter, for my family, and for my mini guests. I will come back the carousel. Yeah, and then yeah, I wish to come back the the bar, because I will support my family and my daughter. Yeah, promise. And then I have a problem for my arms, like this, here, for broken. Yeah, shred like this, for my live before. Yeah, then before I cry because I have a problem, but it's okay. Not like she's always, but now I focus my family and my daughter. I will come back working, because for my family and my daughter. Yeah, but now no have many customer every day. Sometimes many guests Friday, Saturday, because she always Friday, Saturday, many customer, the bar, the carousel, and then for me many customer, because tomorrow I will come back the bar, the carousel, because I have many guests and many customer. Yeah. Yes, okay. And then the walk, not many customer. But now only one the customer. She come, and then she talking to me for my life, for my daughter, for my work, and then yeah. My customer is not very good, but black man is the good. It's the nice heart. I like the black man. Yeah. My family problem is, yeah, I have family problem. My sister, my brother, and me. Because no money, he always fighting for me. Yeah, and then, but now I'm tomorrow I will come back the carousel, and then I have focused the working, and then for my daughter. But my sister and my brother, she always fighting for me, because no have money. Always fighting for me, no money. But before I'm working in the bar, I have money. They always close. She always talking for me, always happy. But now no money. They're always fighting for me, because I don't have money, and then no working. I have three brother and 3 sister. Then my 2 sisters, she always family, another kid, and then but my brother, no, it's all my working. My working is the security guard. You have a construction, you know, and then me, I work in the bar. I like the lesbian, but she working the bar, the video okay bar, the mini girl, diba? Yeah. Sometimes I'm jealous. Sometimes sometimes always fighting, because I'm jealous. But now it's okay. I like man, black man. Yeah. I like the black man, and I like the black man and serious with the relationship, and then support me, and then for support for my daughter. Yeah, I like the black man because the black man is nice heart. Before I live the Filipino guy, but she always drunk and always me fighting. Yeah, like this. Sometimes like this. Yeah, but oh my God, I'm focused working for my family and then my daughter.